We're entering a new era of smartphone experiences with AI. While the term AI has been overhyped by many, and the market is flooded with high-performance options at similar prices, it's time to reassess our views. With the advent of LLMs, AI is starting to live up to the hype, moving beyond mere gimmicks. Building on strong hardware design and software benefits, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro managed to impress our tech-savvy team with a single AI feature we believe will soon become standard on all smartphones. If you're looking for a premium mid-range device and are interested in exploring AI with minimal compromises on design and camera quality, the Reno 12 Pro is a solid option. Let's dive into the details. AI Studio is a unique app from Oppo, powered by Gen AI Imaging. It's a simple app where you can create portrait templates in various styles using your own likeness. Just upload a profile photo, and Oppo AI Magic will produce impressive results. Transform yourself into a cowboy, a Chinese warrior, or an Indian tourist at the Taj Mahal, complete with the best outfit, lighting, and poses. These are some of the fun images we created, and it definitely intrigued our team, who used their profile pics to generate stunning, stylish images for social media. You can even ask it to speak text found in the browser or generate text in any social app text box. If you're out of ideas for what to post, just give it a prompt, and it will generate something, like a tweet. I made it tell a joke about Elon Musk having too many children, and it was quite original. This feature is available on the sidebar as AI Writer. The speaking AI is called AI Speak, and it comes with the popular AI Summary feature that allows you to TLDR any article or story. This works well in the Recorder app too. We believe these features will soon be standard on most Android phones with an NPU, including the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. Extracting text or photos from screenshots used to be challenging, but AI on the Reno makes it easy. Even better is the ability to drag and drop anything into the File Dock feature, so all your notes can be gathered in one place and easily moved into any compatible app. The camera and gallery also offer several AI features, similar to what Google Pixel users might recognize. AI Portrait Retouching enhances the face and clarity of your portraits. AI Eraser 2.0 removes unwanted objects or people from your photos, and AI Clear Face sharpens facial details. What's impressive is that these features work well on device without sending data to the cloud, thanks to the onboard NPU. Another notable feature is AI Best Face, which corrects closed eyes and other errors that were previously unfixable. The question is, are these features useful enough to use regularly? If you're a content creator with limited time, these AI tools will be a valuable asset. They gave us an edge when comparing similar smartphones in the same price range. Few phones can match all these features right now. If you want to stay ahead, AI will be a game changer. In our experience, the 50MP cameras perform exceptionally well in almost all conditions. The main camera shines in difficult lighting and produces vibrant colors. There is a slight color shift when using the TWOX telephoto sensor, but the clarity remains high. Together, these cameras create a near-perfect portrait mode experience. Combined with the AI-based face-enhancing features, the portrait mode is outstanding. Let the sample images speak for themselves. Oppo also claims the phone has a special cushioning arrangement to absorb shocks from falls, and it features the strongest Gorilla Glass, Victus 2. It also has an I65 rating. The device we tested is space brown. We found the two-tone color and chic ribbon design to be visually appealing, and the in-box case is even better. Overall, the weight distribution, design, and build quality are top-notch, not quite flagship level but certainly premium and sleek. The display is a 120Hz AMOLED screen with FHD resolution, 394 ppi, and a 20:9 aspect ratio. Brightness reaches up to 600 nits and can boost to 1500 nits outdoors. With PWM dimming and low blue light, the display offers a satisfying mid-range premium experience. We had no complaints during our review. Powered by the Dimensity 7300, the Oppo Reno 12 Pro meets premium needs and excels at basic tasks. However, this is not a gaming or performance-oriented flagship phone. The Reno 12 Pro belongs to a new category of AI-powered devices, where the NPU is crucial. The neural processing unit, housed within the tiny Fortum MediaTek Dimensity 7300 energy chip, has been slightly overclocked for efficiency. In our experience, it's an extremely power-efficient chip that extends battery life. Moderate users can easily go 3 days without charging. In terms of battery technology, Oppo, along with its sister brand OnePlus, is ahead of the curve. The Reno 12 Pro features 80W Super VOOC charging, which is incredibly fast. The phone is so efficient that the 5000 mAh battery outlasts high-performance devices in the same price range. And yes, the charger is included in the box. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro will likely inspire you to use AI features more than any other smartphone you've tried. The design will turn heads and feel satisfying in your hand. You'll notice a clear improvement in your camera shots if you're upgrading from a lesser phone. However, this is not a gaming or flagship performance phone, so adjust your expectations accordingly before purchasing.